All right, let's go over your math boxes for today. These are for math boxes 7, 11. They will line up with 7, 9. So I want you to go back and check your graded math boxes for 7, 9. And if you missed something on there, don't miss it on here. So for number 1, it says make the following changes to the numeral. Okay, they give you a number and it tells you which digit and which place value to change. And you're going to rewrite the correct number down here. Okay? All right, on number 2, you've got 2 different problems. You're solving for the variables m and n. They already have them here. Okay? If you're doing an addition problem like this one, then m is going to have to be smaller than the answer. So see if you can figure out how to get what m equals. All right? On B, you've got a subtraction problem. You need to subtract these 2 to get what n equals. Notice that this one has a decimal. All right, on number 3, you've got standard notation and you've got scientific notation again. Remember, your standard notation is just the normal number. On your scientific notation, you're doing a multiplication problem. The first number has to be between 1 and 9. And then you're multiplying by 10 to a power. Okay, so your first number needs to be between 1 and 9, and then you're multiplying by 10 to a power. Okay, number 4, you're going to insert parentheses to make each sentence true. Notice these 2 are the same except for the answers, and these 2 are the same except for the answers. You're going to need to get some scratch paper. You're going to need to just try it. Put some parentheses in and see what answers you get. I want you to try these. You can do it. Number 5, the temperature in Chicago at 5 p.m. was 35 degrees Fahrenheit. By midnight, the temperature had dropped 48 degrees. What was the temperature at midnight? Well, if we started at 35 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to drop 48 degrees, then guess what? Our answer is going to be in the negatives. Don't forget your degree symbol and don't forget Fahrenheit. I want you to try this one. All right, and then you're going to write greater than or less than. Notice these have different denominators. Okay, C has the same, but it's the only one. You're going to need to make equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Okay. You can use your quick common denominator and multiply them together if you want. Like here, you could do 8 times 4. You could change them both to have denominators of 32, or you could change them both to have denominators of 8 because you can change 4 to 8. I suggest writing your new fraction out to the side so you can see what it is, and then write greater than or less than in the blank. Once again, these math boxes line up with 7, 9. So if you need some help, you can go check there to help you. You can also use your student reference book or go back and look in your math journal for any help that you might need.